Welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to make Android control center like iPhone, and it's literally an easy process. Make sure to watch until the end of the video to know how it's done. To do this, let's go ahead and open the Play Store on your Google. Now let's use the search bar to search Control Center Simple. Go ahead and click on the search results on the drop down. Then choose this and hit install. And just wait for a moment for it to complete. Now let's hit open. Ignore the ads, choose English, hit done, and just click next, 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 then click on get started. Now allow any necessary permissions, just hit allow. What we need to do here is go to camera and booth and choose while using the app. Now let's hit on this again and hit allow. Go to listen notification. Then toggle the control center simple. Hit allow. Go back. Draw other apps. Click on it. And toggle this on again. Then go back. Now go to right settings and allow permissions. Toggle it on. Go back again. Accessibility. Hit OK. Accept the terms of service. Then hit accept. Now go to installed apps. Then turn on Control Center Simple. Toggle this on. Hit allow. Then hit OK. And the blur background is on. Go to night shift. Oh, we have to enable this first. And that's it. And once you swipe down, the control center has been changed to an iPhone. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.